Everything begins in the tropical zone. This phase is crucial as it defines the aromatic potential. It includes harvesting, pod removal, and, most importantly, fermentation, which transforms the aroma precursors, followed by drying to stabilize the beans.
Make sure you turn them well so they dry evenly.
Yes, Mama. The sun is strong today.
The beans
68
travel
kilograms,
thousands
exactly.
of kilometers.
We
This
will
step
record that amount
encompasses
for the
packaging
payment.
in jute sacks, transport to ports, quality control, and the ocean crossing in containers in processing countries.
Watch that pothole on the left.
I see it, I see it. These sacks are going everywhere.
Based on this sample, the quality is inconsistent. We need to review the pricing structure.
Understood. The data here suggests
Seal verified and cut. Proceeding to open.
Okay, inserting the probe into the center stack.
Sample extraction noted on the manifest.
Keep it coming straight back. Easy now,
At
you're
the
aligned with the
factory,
leveler.
the beans are
All
thoroughly
right,
cleaned
confirmed, you're
and
good
then
to set the
roasted.
brake.
It is here that the brown color and the definitive aromas of chocolate are revealed through the action of heat. The shell is separated from the nibs, the almonds. The nibs are ground to become cocoa mass liquid. A portion is pressed to attain cocoa butter, fat, and cocoa cake, which will become powder. This is the heart of chocolate making. The cocoa mass is blended with sugar and milk for milk chocolate. The paste is refined to make it smooth, then conched for hours to remove bitterness and develop a silky texture. The chocolate must be tempered, controlled crystallization to become shiny and snappy. It is then molded into bars, vibrated to remove air bubbles, and cooled in a tunnel. The bars are wrapped, coiled in cardboard, boxed, and shipped. The cycle ends with the purchase in a store and the pleasure of tasting in the consumer's home.